Hello and welcome. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a Facebook Business Manager account. So let's get started. The first thing is you need to go to this URL. After you came here you will see an interface like this. So then click create account, and then from here just give it a name, any name you want to identify your business manager account. So for my case I am going to give it a name like gaming verse, and then you need to add your name here, but it also a pre-filled, and then you need to add your email account here, and after you add everything then just click on submit. And it will send a confirmation email to you to the Gmail address you just added. So let's check the Gmail account now. So you can see I just received a confirmation email here. I'm going to click on confirm now. And my business manager account is created. You can see my name here. If any kind of pop-up appears, just click on get started and it will show you some basic things. Okay, so my business manager account is created. You can see my name here, but I didn't create any page or any ad account. I will show you how you add or create any ad account or page in my later video. So thanks for watching.